How's it going? So it's Saturday afternoon. We've been packing the van all morning, getting it ready for a week-long adventure. Me and Yana have both booked a week off work. Oscar's just got back from staying at his mum's, and we're just about to set off. First stop is going to be Cheddar Gorge. Ready? Yeah. We've got big bikes on the back, we've got BMXs under the seat, we've got kayak on the roof, we've got climbing gear, we've got cameras, we've got the drone. I'm going to test my drone out for the first time. All the van's done, tyres pumped up, water's filled, and we're ready to go. Okay, we forgot a few things, but now we're definitely all packed and ready to go. We've got all our food, got all our drink. The van's loads of all the gadgets and goodies that we need to have fun. We're all washed, ready to go. We've got food. Oscar's in the front. Are you ready, Oscar?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got snacks for the road.
Yeah.
And now we can go to Cheddar Gorge. Okay, so it feels like we've been driving all day. We didn't leave Liverpool till like 1 o'clock, and it is 20 to 8 now, and we've only just arrived at where we're staying for the night. The plan was to go to Cheddar first, then come here, but because it's so late we decided to come here, stay the night and go to Cheddar tomorrow. We're at a place called Deer's Leap, and it's a really cool viewpoint. You can see Glastonbury Tor from where we are, and they've got a little standing stone circles as well down the road. So we're just going to go check that out now. Right in the distance there is Glastonbury Tor. Yeah. So we've got a whole week of adventure planned. Cheddar Gorge tomorrow. Then Glastonbury for a couple of days, go to all the magical places there. Because if you probably know, if you've seen one of my older videos, that Glastonbury is one of my favourite places on earth. So we're going to spend a couple of days there, and then we're going to go down to Dartmoor, then Cornwall after that, and go to all the magical mysterious places, and have some adventures down that way too, and then back on all the way up next Sunday, back up north to Liverpool. So right now we're just enjoying the Mendip Hills. We're going to find this little standing stone circle on Deer's Leap in the lovely summer rain. Found the standing stones, got drenched in the rain so I couldn't film it, but it was just 2 stones in the field. So it was an anticlimax, but it's still a beautiful area, and we got drenched. Oh well, still having fun.
Say cheese!
Back to the van to dry off and eat some food. See you tomorrow. So, like the true professional that I am, I forgot to take the camera out this morning. We woke up and it was absolutely lashing it down, so we decided to go for a dry day at Wookey Hole theme park place. We went to see all the caves. They were really amazing, and then like some other little bits are quite nice there. And now we are at Blackmore Reserve, and we got the camping spot from wildcamping.co.uk. Shout out to those, really good website. And now we're just going to have a little explore around the area. All crazy little hills everywhere, which is all made from like thousands of years of mining lead, which has been close to the surface, and now it's a nature reserve. So all nature's reclaimed it all back, making it look all beautiful again. We're just going to have a little explore of the area, then we're going to go back to the van and cook some nice scrummy food. Nice. The cave's really cool. There's a legend of like the Wookey Witch and stuff like that. Probably some of you have probably already heard of it. But here's a few photographs of the cave, and that was really nice. Got Oscar's sneaking up on me.
Boo!
Apparently there's a ruin just over there in those woods. Go see if we can go find it. Oscar likes picking blackberries just as much as I do. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, when it's go blackberry picking, I've already picked 3.
It's such a cool landscape that all this this mining has created. I'm going to get Oscar to do a little challenge, a little bit of weaseling.
Ah!
Did it? Uh-huh. Listen to that rain. Where are we? You got food in your mouth. We're at Cheddar Gorge. It looks like we're about to get hit with the rain again. We were trying to avoid it by not coming here yesterday, but we're in the rain. We're here. We're going to have a little explore, maybe climb to the top somewhere, get a good view. Gorgeous place. We made it up to the top of this side, but it was a bit of a scramble on the way up. We didn't know it was going to be a bit of a scramble, and Yana is slightly afraid of heights, so she didn't enjoy it at all. She's a bit freaked out now, but it is a beautiful view. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up because it's a fisheye lens, but it looks so good. Those two storming ahead. Can't think of anywhere other than nature that makes me this happy. Just being outside amongst the trees and the fresh air. It's the best. It's where I feel like I should be. Hopefully in 10 years' time I'm going to be owning my own wood, living off it, off-grid, self-sustainable. That is the goal. The dream. Low impact, no carbon footprint, living off your own land. very windy, but we've just been to the Witchcraft and Wizardry Museum. Now we're just a little walk around the town at the beautiful coast. And now we're going to go and get some, hopefully some vegan Cornish pasties. So yeah, go back over what we've been doing so far. We drove down south for our first night. We stayed at Daisley, gorgeous spot. We had a really nice chilled night, it rained quite a lot. Next day it was still raining, so we decided to go to Wookey Hole. Wookey Hole was an awesome experience. Those caves were absolutely beautiful. The day after that we went to Cheddar Gorge. From Cheddar Gorge we went to Glastonbury. We were actually at Glastonbury for 3 days, well 2.5 days, just because we love it there so much. And then we went to Dartmoor for the evening. The most craziest weather ever. Just the wind was rocking the van side to side all night long. Woke up, torrential rain, but then after a few hours we got some nice weather, went for another little explore on the rocks and stuff. Then drove to Cornwall, which is where we are now. And our first place to visit in Cornwall was Boscastle, or Boscastle, however you want to pronounce it. Went to see the Museum of Witchcraft and Wizardry, then walked down to the coast, down through the little pulpit, which is absolutely beautiful. Took some nice photos there. And we're just at the car park having some downtime. I thought I'd just show you this nice little stream which is running out to like a little estuary. So here we are. Proper tranquil. A nice sound of the water just flowing calmly. It's really relaxing. Prime berry season. So good. So I'm not quite sure where we're going to stay tonight. I'll have to hit up the wildcamping.co.uk app just to find a nice little spot. And then tomorrow might go to Bedrooton Steps and Tintagel, however you want to pronounce it, Merlin's Cave and stuff like that. That should be pretty exciting. Then keep moving further down south, I guess. After today we've got 2 more full days in Cornwall. Loving this trip so far. Every day has been a different adventure. Be sort of gutted to go back up to Liverpool really. So I figured out how to pronounce the town. It's Tintagel, not Tintagel. So we got here about an hour or so ago. We parked up, we came for a little walk down to the view of the castle. Still debating whether to go into the to pay for the castle just yet, because it's like £10 each almost for an adult and like over a £5 for a child, so it's a good bit of money. But I mean, I just can't tell from here if it's worth paying the price for or not. I mean, it looks awesome, like it's separated, big rockland separated from the mainland, because there was a giant collapse in like the 1300s or something like that, where the castle fell in and created this ravine in between the land. I mean, like it's like around 800 years old, and it does look proper awesome. So I'm gonna sleep on it. We haven't decided yet, but I just thought we'd come up to this viewpoint here, so for the sun to go down and stuff, and just to enjoy being by the seaside and get that fresh sea breeze blowing right through you and like making you feel good. Oscar's got his camera too, take some photographs. What have you got so far?
I've got 2 videos, and there's this one.
Kids are so weird. Yana's over there enjoying the view. See this cool piece over here, look. There. It's like somebody stacked all the stones on the edge of the cliff. Weird. And then there's caves and stuff down there.